When you sell products online or run ads on social media, one of the biggest challenges is creating video ads that look real, engaging, and don't cost a fortune. Many brands pay creators hundreds or sometimes thousands for videos. What if you could generate UGC style ads from just product photos using AI? That's exactly what VidAU AI promises. And in this video, we are going to talk about this tool. And I will give you an honest overview so you know whether it is worth to trying or not. VidAU AI is an AI powered video ad generator that lets you upload simple product pictures or links and automatically produces short social media ready videos that look like the user generated content. It uses AI avatars, scenes, and motion effects, so you do not need cameras, action, or editing skills to make promotional videos. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover smart tools that save time and energy. Today we are reviewing VidAU AI, an AI tool that creates UGC ads from product images with minimal effort. If you want to try VidAU AI or explore similar tools for ads and creative content, check the link from description. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description. Because by using that link, any available discount or special offer will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, here is what happens when you use the VidAU AI to create a video ad. You just start by uploading a few product photos and adding a brief text describing what you want, like a demo, a highlight of the key feature, and a call to action. The AI processed everything and generate a short video in minute that include animated motion around the product and also captions, background music, and even UGC style scene that mimicked someone talking or interacting with the product. The result is something that you could directly upload as an ad on a platform like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts without manual editing. One major advantage of VidAU AI is speed. What used to take hours of filming and editing was done within minutes. It also offers multiple presets and templates, so you can instantly generate different versions of the same ad for A/B testing. This is especially useful if you want to test what resonates best with your audience. Another good thing is the AI uses avatar and voices. VidAU includes a library of lifelike digital presenters in many languages, allowing you to create videos that look like they were shot by a real person, even if no real video footage was used. You can also turn a product URL directly into a video, and the AI will pull assets and text automatically. However, there are some drawbacks also that worth noting. From user reviews online, quality can be inconsistent depending on the prompt, and also that depend on product photos and the complexity of the scene you want. Some creators report that generated videos sometimes don't follow the prompt accurately, or the AI motions can feel unnatural or repetitive if you push it too far. Another issue mentioned by user that credit may be deducted even when the output is not perfect, and the quality of the generated scenes can vary, meaning you may need to run multiple tries before getting a version you are happy with. A few people also report challenges with canceling subscriptions or unclear support responses times. So in terms of use case, VidAU is the strongest when you want quick and creative, especially short, engaging videos for social platform at scale. For example, e-commerce sellers can quickly turn the product images into scroll-stopping clips without hiring creators or editors. This greatly reduces time and cost compared to the traditional video production. That said, user statement is mixed if you care about the deep realism or cinematic quality. AI generated videos are great for simple product showcases, demos, or templated UGC ads, but they don't always match the authenticity and emotional nuance of real filmed content. So, hybrid approaches that mix AI clips with real footage can sometimes perform better. So I hope this VidAU AI review helped you to understand what happens when you let the AI make your UGC ads and whether it is a useful tool for your marketing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. Check the description for VidAU AI link and any available offers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.